Hey viewers, in this video I will talk to you about the Indian launch of the Realme C11. So make sure to watch this video to the end to get the complete details. The Realme C11 unveiled last week will come in India on July 14. The launch event will be streamed live on the company's social media accounts starting at 1 pm. The Realme C11 packs a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a Helio G35 SoC under the hood. It runs with Android 10 with a Realme UI on the top and comes with 2GB RAM and 32GB storage. But it also has a dedicated slot for microSD card which allows the storage expansion by up to 256GB. In terms of imaging, the Realme C11 comes with a dual camera setup on the back, compiled with 13MP main and 2MP depth sensor. For selfie and video calls, there is a 5MP camera on the front sitting inside the water drop notch. Fueling the entire package, there is a 5000 mAh battery that draws through a micro USB port up to 10 watt. The Realme C11 is sold in mint grey and pepper grey colors in Malaysia, and we accept the budget smartphone to have the same color option in India as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Then make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I am Sunny and you are watching The Basic YouTuber. So let's meet in the next video.